Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about API model settings. Back to editor. So as we know that inside the second phase of API development we had two migration classes. The first migration was for students table and the second was for our projects table. So according to those migrations and those tables we need two model classes. The first model will be student, which will interact with the students table, and the second will be project, and that will interact with projects database table. So I will create these model classes by the help of php artisan command. Back to project terminal. Let's create our first model class, that is php artisan make model, and that is student. Press enter. Now we can see our first model now created. Let's create second one, php artisan make model and call project. Press enter. So successfully now we have created two model classes inside our application. Let's work on its settings. Back to editor. Next we need to go inside app, models, and here we have student.php and project.php. So I will open this first one, that is student.php, and one more thing along with, let's open our migration class file, database, migrations, and if I open students table, so this is all about the migration class. So as we can see from table structure, we don't have our timestamps column. So first setting I will do inside this model class, that is public timestamps equals to false. And next I will add one more setting, that is for fillable array. So public fillable equals to, it's an array, and inside this array we need to pass all the columns where we need values. Back to migration class. So to create any student we want values for name, email, password and phone number. So these columns should be mentioned inside this fillable array. So here name, email, password and phone number. So successfully, this is all about some minor settings of this student model class. Now let's open project.php, which is our another module. Now let's open all about our project migration. So inside this table also we can see that we don't have any timestamps column. So what we can do, let's open one more time project.php. So here public timestamps equals to false. Next I need to define fillable array. So public fillable, it's an array, and inside this array we need to pass all the columns where we need values. So to create any project we need values for student ID, title, description and duration. So what we can do here, go to fillable array, student ID, title, description and duration. So successfully these all columns are where we need values to create any project and insert inside this projects table. So successfully we have configured all about our student model class as well as project model class. Now next what we have to do, we need to go inside our controller class. Let's open first. I will open student controller, and in this controller we interact with students table. So to interact with students table we need to load our student model class. So here first import here, so use student model. So successfully we have loaded our student model class inside controller. So once we work over these methods, so we need to create an instance of model class and then according to call all those methods like insert, update, delete and select. Now next let's open project controller. Here we need to interact with projects table. So we need to load our project model class. So use project. Now once we work over these methods, needs to create an object of this model class, and once we create model class means object, then we can easily interact with all the queries like insert, update, delete and select. So successfully guys, in this video, we had created two modeler classes, done some settings and also loaded inside our respective controller classes. In the next video, we'll see some more development concept. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.